Hey everyone, welcome back to Coding Monk. In previous videos, we have learned how you can talk with your image, how you can use multimodal. Also, we have seen that how you can manage your prompts, right? In this video, we are going to learn about how you can talk with different kind of files. You might have seen people have developed application like they can chat with their PDF, they can chat with their TXT files and other file types. In this video, we are going to focus on two file types, which is PDF as well as TXT. So if you want to know and if you want to learn how you can talk with PDF files, how you can talk with different kind of text files and how you can summarize it, how you can do some question answering with the PDF and these documents, then this is the tutorial for you. So let's jump right into it and start implementing talking with your documents. So let me do one thing. First and foremost, I'm going to update my schema, which will accept PDF as well as text file. So let me write a prompt accept TXT files and PDF files. So cursor is going to do that for us. I'm going to apply these changes. And now let me go to the chat prompt. Here currently we are processing only images file. So in chat prompt, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add support to process text as well as PDF file. So let me write a prompt for it. Use LangChain PDF as well as text loader to extract text and pass as in context. So let's see how it goes. So it has imported text loader and pypdf loader, and we are checking here that if file type is PDF and file type is .txt, then we are going to use these different loaders and we are going to extend the context with the relevant text. Again, I'm going to use MIME type, instead of extension. In context, also add file details. So that is going to update. So in context, we are going to add the file info as well. And let me apply this and see what it is doing. So we are, if MIME type is, if MIME type is PDF, we are going to load the PDF using pypdf. We are going to load all the pages and we are going to add the content page wise, right? And that will be added into basically context. Same way, if MIME type is text, we are going to load using text loader. We are going to add the content of file as a context. If it is image, we are going to do same thing like prepare image messages, right? We can also abstract this from this file and put it into file handler. So that let me going to do later, but for now, I think this should be good. And let me save this and let me go to front end. So here we have our front end ready. Let me load one TXT file, which is basically about interstellar traveling. So let me ask question about what is interstellar travel, and it's not being able to process. So we are getting an error when we are processing. So let me add that error here and see what we are doing wrong. All right. Let me try again. We are getting this error loading. And it's trying to load the file using file name. Let me again correct it. Let me ask this question again, and it seems to be working. Based on provided context, interstellar travel refers to the hypothetical journey of spacecraft between different star systems. So to be noted, we are using document context here. We are not using LLM knowledge. So that's the one thing. We are talking with our document. So let me try with the PDF as well. And what is warp drive? How does it work mathematically. And let me see if it is, and it is giving us an error. And again we are going to go to cursor and give this error message. And same thing was with pypdf as well. I think this can be a little simplified, but I'm using cursor and relying on cursor. So let me go again and ask this question again. Let's see if it works. I think it's working. Based on document, here are the key points about warp drive and how it works mathematically. So it's giving me an equation based on that this warp drive works. So let me show you the document. So this warp drive document is nothing but a paper, and it contains all the information about how it works mathematically, right? So this is how basically you can talk with your PDF. You can ask question, or if you want to summarize this PDF, this paper, then also it will be able to do. So here is the summary of key points from this paper on warp drive concept in general relativity. The paper proposes way to achieve faster than light travel within general relativity without using wormholes, right? So this is great. This is how you can build an application where you are talking with your PDFs, where you are talking with your text file. You can also support various kind of different file like docx, Excel files, PPT files, or any other kind of files. You just need different kind of loaders, and that you will need to install. So this is all about this tutorial. I wanted to show you how you can use different files and how you can talk with different files using LLMs. So this was all about this. If you have any doubt, please let me know in comments. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.